this is Monica. Welcome here Think Passive Income. If you are blogging and making money through affiliate marketing or your own products, this best blogger theme for affiliate marketing waiting for you. If you want to know which is the best blogger theme for affiliate market in 2020, let's get it. In previous article we have learned what is affiliate marketing, how to start, and which is the best web hosting and domain for affiliate marketing for your blog. First you check that, then you continue with this. So I am talking about the premium coding theme. Premium coding is a WordPress theme based blogger theme for affiliate marketing. Bloggers who need a great platform to promote content. It is produced by two men who already designed builds another theme, but in 2015 they launched their own theme club. Today they have 27 plus WordPress theme, and developers release innovative new templates every 5 to 6 weeks. This founder has been a very successful salesperson for a long time. That's why Premium Coding Theme thought of collaborating with this internet marketer to gain advanced concept and become the most popular WordPress theme in the world. Now you will ask, why Premium Coding WordPress theme best blogger theme for affiliate marketing? After watching the demo live, many ask it is recommended for bloggers and marketers. We just have a simple answer. If you blog and make money in affiliate marketing or adware, then this is for you. This is the right solution even if you want to promote your products or service, and the best blogger theme for AdSense approval too. The theme is supported by your homepage designer option. This way you can easily design a dynamic and really attractive homepage with drag and drop block ready to use. Homepage section help you include videos, popular message, ad units, service and more. Also, beside the Premium Coding WordPress theme includes several unique shortcode along with the growing WordPress theme. The shortcode list includes tabs, buttons, progress bar, countdown timers, prime chart and more. Not only that, other shortcodes include reviews, column, page section, tag switch, etc. The list of shortcodes is huge. So all I can say is you need very little time to develop an attractive page. You can add as many topics as you like, and you can use shortcode to design informative page without coding and CSS knowledge. The theme includes an extensive back panel of options that allow you to manage logo, color style, diaries, displays, social media style, layout and everything. Therefore, the administrator must go to Premium Coding dashboard to access all theme options. So, let's see the feature overview. We have just seen in detail how you can easily create a website using the page builder and shortcode, plus it offers many styling options, widget and other benefits. So, we will look at this feature to learn how this content can be the best solution for marketers and business professionals. This versatile theme has been released for freelancer, blogger template, WordPress for personal blogger, professional bloggers, e-commerce marketers, and anyone who want to promote something through professional web platform. This theme is responsive. Allow your valued customers and blog visitors to view your site from your mobile device, tablet or laptop. The Premium Coding WordPress theme can provide a similar experience in different screen resolution. Therefore, this feature can bring additional benefit to get more customers for your affiliate companies. The responsive design has an auto resize feature that contains image, video, fonts and everything. Next feature is unlimited color options. The color factor plays an important role in creating a stylish and brand-oriented site. Many people like to choose their favorite color, and some business people choose colors related to the brand. So you are going to give ready-made color schemes and drawing tools to make other colored schemes. Apart from the website, you can also choose special colors for areas, widget, headers and more. For better flexibility in the theme, many font styles and shortcode options are available. Thanks to theme for providing a visual customization that allows site owners to select custom fonts, background and colored cells. Other feature is blog options. The blog template has two columns to display the following post and a sidebar column for widget. This way the user can view multiple blog entries on a single page and view multiple posts using the tab button. You can enter post types such as images, video, audio, quotes and standard messages to share your stories by the theme. When you visit the unified blog post page, you will see social icon on the floating title bar. Also beside, you will see in the publication navigation that shows the others relevant record of publication as well as subsequent and previous links to article. A comment box is placed under all articles so reader can interact with the other and other readers. The sidebar appears on the blog page and the article page, so it is a good place to display widgets like recent popular post tabs, banner ads, optical boxes and etc. Focus area on power. The topic list topic gave a section for distributing newsletters for the title area, so you can activate this feature to get more email subscription for this weekly newspaper. This feature is very important for affiliate marketer, product developers and bloggers who want to profit from e-companies. I suggest this presenter template to anyone looking for a professional landing page theme or an affiliate marketing template or blogging topic. All other features is of premium coding, a drop down menu bar with support for multiple column. Press the call button, title, floating title bar, show logo, menu info. Second, 3 widget, show social links on the footer and header. Email confirmation page for new email subscribers. Pages to download and sell. Landing page template. Support blog with custom publication format. Custom first page layout, a section of flexible content. You can use the emails of these subscribers for marketing or to promote new blog posts. The best theme for affiliate blogger. So my final conclusion, the premium coding theme is a great collection with premium WordPress theme. It has a beautiful and clear look and you can use it for a variety of purposes. I also heard good things about premium coding until I tested it myself. In my opinion, worth subscribing to premium coding themes. But if you are looking for an easy to handle but powerful WordPress theme, I would suggest looking at the best blogger theme for affiliate marketing, premium coding theme. So if you want to try premium coding theme, I have provided my link, premium coding link below. If you want to use, you can go through. Along with this, you can get my free bonus is waiting for you. What is my free bonus and how you can take advantage of this? Check the link I have provided below. In the next article, we will learn how to set up Amazon affiliate marketing store. If this article is helpful for you, so please share as much as you can and give your feedback if you have experience with any another theme. So thank you so much. Bye.